Integration errors can be frustrating, but with a systematic approach, you can resolve them efficiently. Follow these steps to troubleshoot and fix integration errors on Certara 2026. Step 1. Identify the error. Begin by reviewing the error message display. Take note of any specific codes or descriptions that can help pinpoint the issue. This information is crucial for understanding what went wrong. Step 2. Check system requirements. Ensure that your system meets the necessary requirements for Certara 2026. Verify that all software dependencies and updates are installed. This can prevent compatibility issues that lead to integration errors. Step 3. Review integration settings. Access the integration settings within Certara 2026. Confirm that all configurations, such as API keys and connection strings, are correctly entered. Incorrect settings can often cause integration failures. Step 4. Test connectivity. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Consult documentation and support. If the error persists, refer to the official Certara documentation for troubleshooting tips. If necessary, reach out to Certara support for assistance, providing them with detailed information about the error. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve integration errors on Certara 2026 effectively. Remember to document any changes you make for future reference.